Blay pibaro ki bapak ini ke video bagi pria subhai fi chun ka channel tech tutor Meghalaya balapan mi da ka SCSTE. Kekertain cuma kanong iba pediang Hong Kongwer but hakani ka porpat gan bataya pi shaphan ki electric field lines. Te ganges pila come across fil aju you small thing gani ka contain field lines haka class 10 ba fi puli shaphan ki magnetic field lines. Te kanong kumju ki electric field lines kini ki magnetic field lines ka magnetic field and electric field, alright. Te kini kilong kidan ka jinga srim hapadang kini kimde ka jo kia srim mo kia srim te kumbangi sotho kani ka how magnet da fi shimi magnet hajan jo magnet da fi ora sa magnet filab sotho ka borde jo to magnet ka long attract lane ka ba repel, right. The same thing ki charges ro kilong kumjo lada ki charge don away charge fi ora sa away charge lada de positive fi sotho ba kadon ka bor ka ba ada positive but positive fi sotho badan ka bor ka ba repel. Ada the positive but negative part kadon ka bor ka ba attract, right. Te kalong kumju kinong very similar kini bro artli long very same ha mo te kumju ro kumba haka magnetic field kidan ki magnetic field lines de ni shemi ki magnetic field lines then represent ya ka magnetic field. Te kumju ken hang ne ka electric field ni dan kini ki electric field lines ki bar represent ya ka electric field. Yang tingin pet mental ka definition. An electric field line is a path straight or curved in an electric field such that the tangent to it at any point gives the direction of the electric field intensity at that point. In fact, it is the path along which a unit positive charge actually moves in the electrostatic field is free to do so. Tikamut ayu kini ki electric field lines. For example, ngat dan uni positive charge. Ti uni positive charge udon ki electric field kabayat nang ni shatai. Tila dangonra yutu u charge u test charge janga u q naught. Dangonra uni test charge q naught hang ni hajan ja uni test charge namar uni test charge should keep in mind udi belong positive. Ja uni test charge uni test charge unsa sha triple unsa be sha tai. Yang te uni test charge dangonra amot bu high ni point uni test charge unsa sha be sha tai tenang takada uni test charge unsa yat omni bunchiat kumash ni sha tai hindi unya tek ini ilan kumni hi kumaran ni electric field line na ni sha ni te unsa poi let's say ula bandan hang ni kumto yang te kata di kajimot jung kan electric field ko ong ba in fact it is the path kadi kata kalenti ha ka ba uni unit positive charge unit positive test charge actually moves ba unyat ha kata ka electric hata ka electrostatic field mata kani ka electric field kan electric field nga draw ni electric field line nani shata ini electric field line nani shata tinang daw ini test charge dangawan ra ban nga bu hang ni but a positive in repel in shabe shatai yeah the kinetic force due to a positive charge m is directed radially outwards. Radially kakane contain radial kami na kani contain radially kadan jende ba contain radius bagas kan pitip kamut u radius te kamut ba kani electric field kalongkom radius jong u circle, right. Tadang draw circle kum tu filabin e ba kini electric field lines kilongkom ki radius from the center to the circumference, right. Te kani ka force kumbangi tip ka force ka vector quantity na ta daw ka dibendan ka direction te ka force due to positive charge ka kumno ka ba directed radially outwards kumno kum shabar te fi en hani dan ni positive charge ka direction jong ka force ka outwards shabar ki point not shabar kini ki arrows paro te kani de ka direction jong ka force due to a positive charge biang te na ta ka daw kumbang la the define baka electric field kadi kamno electric field is equal to force per unit charge fi kani ka force electric field ada ka force ka point shabar ka electric field ka point shabar ken takada kini ki lines ki represent ya ka electric field, alright, ya ka electric field jong uni u positive charge Dia nang tadi ka force pada jong negative charge kadi ka direct kumno ka direct radially inwards kemut shapo jong charge ka point yang dia nata ka daw lada ka force ka point shaw charge ka electric field ka point kumno ka point shaw charge kalau kini ki lines baro ki represent ya ka electric field ke jong negative charge but ka electric field lines with negative charge, all of them keep point inwards towards the charge. The ka field lines pada lada day ka system badan artli ki charges kalong kumno. The ka baning kong ka di ka system of two equal and opposite charge. Ki charge belong equal and opposite. Opposite kalong kamut positive but negative. The kumbang ada pitmentan ni ong ba positive charge ki electric field ki point shabar. Finam hane ki electric field lines ki point dot shabar. Yang kat ba jong negative pa ki electric field lines ki point shapo jong ki point shaw negative charge hi. They all point towards the negative charge. Te hang niru fi ki point towards the negative charge, hang niru the negative charge, hang niru to the negative charge. Dai. Te hang ni filaban I baro ka force ka point dot shaw negative charge na electric field ki point dot shaw negative charge. Tadi nakanika daw ken ba positive but negative kilong kumno. Ki attract. You see, kini ki lines ki point bet shaw negative charge. Now positive ki kedaw dot shaw negative. Kamud kaong yung positive charge bandet shaw negative charge. Kat ba ka system pat ka ba contain two positive dan two negative charge ngini pet lada dan artli ki positive charge ka electric field kalong kumno artli ki positive charge laban I hang ni kini ki electric field ki point not shabar pm baru khad ka field jong positive is always pointing outwards away from the charge hang ni don positive hang ni ka point away from the charge yang away from the charge. But filaban ni hang ni, alright, hang ni fi inang new line, buti line, long kumbakan ni ka force ru ka point long baong banyet yu new charge ka on lit siya new charge ru unyet yu tayo on lit siya tay. Then nakataka daw kini ki fields, kini ki field lines, kinyet iwe, but haba kinyet, kajayu, kadon kani ka bentahang ni, fi kani ka bentahang ni, baong don field lines re. But ini point P hang ni ngikon ini point P hakaba ka net electric field is 0. Hakijaka badan ki electric field lines ngiyong bakadan ki electric field. Kemawi kata ki electric field lines ki represent ya ka electric field. Biang lada dan electric field line kamdan ke electric field. Tena kata daw gini benta PM bamdan electric field line re ngashu draw di kini ki dots, right? Ni dotted lines. Ini ibenta hakaba ka electric field ru kamdan re kalong 0. But ngikot ini point P hang ni hakaba ka net electric field is 0 ita in neutral point. Kumju ru dangi pe kini negative charge. Ki negative charge ki electric field lines ki point ki point baro towards the negative. Uniru point baro towards the negative. Te uniruang alot shanga te kimya share iwe. Biang tenata daw hani hapadeng mdani issue hani. Hangni as you can see there is no more electric field lines kabamud the net electric field is 0. Kabamud ba ini point piru ide ita in neutral point. Tekani dik electric field kini dik electric field lines jong ki charges ki balong like charges but ngilabil I hangni ki repel iwe. Unero umtre abantur sa janjong ni ukwa uang unyet sejengay unero umtere bantur janjong ni uneu negative ru umkwa bantan yu ni negative shatay negative ru umkwa bantan yu negative shani baro ar kielong repel iwe way tekato es kem filasong to iketo ki electric field lines jong ki different cases mentay nya petpat saya ki properties. Kabaning kong they are continuous curves but do not form closed loops. Kabamut ba kitu ki line kumbangi filai I bangi draw mane kide ki line ki ba continue but kimdere ki line mangs draw dot. Dade kitu ki dot kitu kim represent the electric field. Okay? Ki ba represent ki electric field ki line ki ba continuous kumto. kim dere ki ba dot. And kemba fi E, kim form closed loop re. U circle tu ude closed loop. And u ellipse ro ude u closed loop. Kitu ki electric field bang draw mene dan closed loop re. Kasi sedang na way, ka point siya way, ka sedang na positive, ka point siya bar, ka sedang na positive, ka point siya bar. As you can see, there is no closed loop. Tingnan pa mata ka point ka ba apal kung kumno, kung tangent to the electric field lines at any point gives the direction of the electric field intensity at that point. Tika niya kamut kumno. Te kum hakani ka example, kabang ipit kani ka electric field between two unequal and opposite charges. Te flaban I hang niya, bakini ka electric field lines kilang curve kumto. Long curve kumtu. Te minta ladang ako aban find electric field at this point over here. Alright, what can I do? I will draw a tangent at this point. Alright, as you can see the tangent at this point, it point in that direction. Te hai ni point ka direction jong ka electric field ka point siya taken. Te sibuda nga find but at this point ka electric field kan point siya no. Keep in mind ka direction jong electric field it should always point in that direction. Hindi rin nani nga draw siya tay. Kanita ka along opposite. As you can see, look at these arrows. All these arrows, they point in that direction. Yeah? So therefore, at this point, ini point hang ni, the direction of the electric field nga draw tangent, and tangent point siya at siya po. Tifla ba ni iba, alright, at each point, okay, in a curve. Keep in mind, at each point in a curve, the direction of the electric field keep changing. Yeah? On a curved path, on a curved electric field line, direction of the electric field, it keeps changing. Okay? Ini minta sa next point. Minta ini sa ka point kabalay kung kumno, kung no electric field lines can intersect each other. Artli ki electric field line ken no me cross ra kumto iwe. Kumba meneng ilapet jong ka electric field line jong u positive but negative charge. Then electric field line to positive and negative charge, it always points from the positive to the negative. And kim juya cross riway. Kia bit la ka jong kalinti. Day. Te kata de jong 2.3 kabasa. Electric field lines are always normal to the surface of the conductor. Let's say you have this block this is a conductor. Yeah. Around here the conductor ki electric field lines and kin long perpendicular bit to this surface. Kinlang perpendicular bit to this surface. Kabumwan, kinlang kumto. As you can see, kani di ka surface, tiada kirung direct, lada kirung direct, natay siya ni kirung hapo ajo kani ka surface yung ni conductor, jayu ka angle kani ka no, 90 degree with this surface. Suppose your conductor is a sphere. Yang, and lada fibo it has charge hapadeng. Lada fibo source charge hapadeng. Let's say it's plus Q. Fibo ini source charge hapadeng. Ka direction jong ka electric field kani kumno? Ka direction jong ka electric field kaday away. It's pointing away. Yang, pointing away in all direction. Kung mangiloong man baka electric field is radial, kabumod baka yad along the radius of this sphere minta. At this point, at this surface hang ni, kung ngan find ka angle ka di ka no, ngan draw yau tangent at this point. Ngan draw you tangent. What is the angle between the tangent and the radius? It is 90 degree. Di kabumod baka electric field. Alright? Electric field lines are always normal. Normal kabumod 90 degree. Alright? Ne perpendicular to the surface of the conductor. Compare a conductor ba kumno. Yeah? Tementang ini pisa ka point kabasan. Kung electric field lines contract on account of interaction between like charges. Kabumod kumno. To kumbangi ihang ni menta kini di between two unlike charges u positive but u negative. But PE hang ni ha ini benta fi inem kini ki lines. Kia jan highway. Hingi benta. Kia jan ha. Alright. Teja yu kabamut kataken kani ka jengmut bakini ki electric field lines ki contract kamut kumno kia traban jan iwe. Yeah. The electric field lines jong u positive but u negative rather than two unlike charges. Yeah. Ki long ki contract ki try banjan iwe. Point ko bahang diupat kong electric field lines exert lateral pressure on account of repulsion between like charges. Kung bagi hane dan ki like charges positive but positive, negative but negative. But fin dapat ini field line hang ni Kini field line. Ni field line interact dengan bentur syatai. Nang kumba ingat yang I don't want to go there. Yang kau binyat nak sini. Ti ini field line haniru yang I don't want to go there. Kau binyat nak sini. Ti jayu long makia put pressure iwe kan. Lateral pressure. Yang kumju haniru ini field line hang ni field abani ini ru kim kuat rabanya tur sedan iwe. Nang ni ki kuat banya padbed. Kuat banya padbed. Tinggal makia push iwe syatai. Yang te in like charges ki field lines ki jayu ki push ki lateral pressure against each other. They push lateral pressure against each other. Te mentangnya pet pas saya ke point ke ba kado ke point bahinyo. The magnitude of the electric field is represented by the density of the field lines. Kapamut ba kat nang leben ki field lines, kat nang bone ki field lines, kata ka represent ni ka jingkalan ka magnitude trong ka electric field. Kanang duna ki field lines kajayu ka represent baka electric field line magnitude jangka electric field line kalong kumno kalong ka badet ta kaduna ka string jangka electric field tin nganget kam pilas ngotho ka tu gajing batay jang ki electric field lines tingin sa pet pan ka next video ngin sa batay pat shapang ka electric field due to a point charge kubleshibon.